I'm not here to play around, see I'm only here to mess you up and represent my town. Come in here and you'll get rattled, get made fun of like a clown. You don't really want to battle, I'm the heaviest of pounds. I ain't lying, boy.
See, I caught him.
That is not a toady. That, my friend, congratulations, is a little tailor. Nice fish. Well done.
Yeah! Yeah! We did it! Woo!
Nasty.
I'm trying to get it like right by the fucking thing.
You know the other good thing is, if there's tailor in here, there'll be mull away in here.
Catch a molly on this, I'll fucking give you a blowy real quick.
Beg your pardon?
A blowfish.
Can I have one cast and show you how to catch a flathead?
You can show me how to catch a fish, because I haven't seen you catch a fish in a while, so I just want to, you know. What's it been, like 4 days, something like that?
No.
I was expecting you to teach me how to fish, so yeah. Come on.
That's what you call one.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, I have, that's why you caught one. Do you know how to aim?
Sorry?
Just curious.
So what do you want me to aim for?
I thought you were aiming for the pole.
No, I just had a cast.
Oh, you told me to throw it towards the pole.
Yeah, no, because you need to.
So what? You're saying you're better than me? You don't need to cast towards the pole? No comment? Make sure you clean your rod out today. That's a lot of salt water for that rod.
Sorry?
Make sure you clean that rod out today.
What do you mean?
You never ever put your rod into the fucking salt water.
Says who?
Now it's all over the fucking line. It's all over your reel. You're gonna ruin your stuff.
Why you wash your rod down?
You need to watch some videos.
So what do you want me to hit now?
I need you to listen to me because I'm the Twitch chat. I want you to know what it's like, okay?
So what would you like me to aim for now, Shul?
The pole. 5 foot radius.
5 foot radius.
That's all you got is 5 feet. 1.5 meters.
Got him!
I got this fucking head, mates! Yes! Yes! I'm actually surprised I caught a fish in those little lures, to be honest with you.
You did a good job.
No, I was lucky. Those tails don't move on that one. There it is, there it is, there it is, there it is. It's not even close.
Is that right?
I think it was farther away than the first cast. Bro. Ooh, that was about 7 foot. Even closer. Fuck, man, we need to go to the gym. I don't think you got it in you to fucking cast it that far.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah, I don't think you got enough oomph, you know what I'm saying? Hey, Mark. Alive and loving it. What's sci-fi wasabi?
Oh, well, you have a cast then.
Huh?
No, I'm done.
This is good. They're loving it.
No, that's good. You have
She was
cast
such a
then.
better fisherman. Wow. Told you guys, he's the man. He just don't have what it takes to reach the pole. That's it. No big deal. Oh.
What are you doing, Shook?
Bro. You set me up. How the fuck did the reel come off, bro? You fucking set me up. You fucking. How does that happen? You fucking set me up. You asshole. Oh, how the fuck did that happen, bro?
Can someone clip that,
Dude,
please?
fuck you, dude. You fucking set me up. Oh my god, bro. No. Now I'm gonna be on Twitch fails and you fucking. Oh god. You fucking cunt. The whole thing just disassembled. You fucking dick, bro. You fucking asshole. What did you do? Loosen the drag all the way so the top will off? You fucking liar. You just sacrificed the reel so you could own me. Oh my god, bro. I don't know. Oh my god, no. How the fuck is this? Bro, why did you do that to me?
I didn't do anything.
You did. I've never had a... You're telling me I'm so strong that the reel exploded by pure power to cast. The fucking reel exploded. Bro. Bro.
Now I lost my hat.
Bro, we gotta get that hat back. Come on, maybe the boat can grab it. I didn't do shit. Maybe the boat can grab the hat. Holy fucking shit, bro. No. Now you want get your shoe already, bro. Get your fucking, what are you doing, bro? Everything's fucking going. I saved your fucking shoe. Get it out there, bro. Oh my god, bro, your fucking ass fucked up. Look at these guys looking at it. Look at these guys. Oh my god, bro. They just drive by and don't even ask the hell. Fucking assholes. Hope he crashed, boat.
Don't worry about it, mate. No, it's not their fault it's fucking so small.
Bro.
Oh, shit, we got it.
You gotta run the spool. That's the only way you're gonna get it. Look at your fucking hat out there, bro. Oh my. Look at this one. Bro, that's what you get for setting that reel up like that. Bro, I don't give a fuck what you fucking say. You just randomly go from doing this bowling ass cast and catching any fish, and then you go, I'm fucking done. Here, you cast. And I'm like, don't worry, boys, I got this. And you tell me the whole top of the reel just blows off the fucking rod?
Oh, shit, bring it here. I can see it. I can see colour.
Bro.
Give it here.
Where the fuck is your hat? It's going down the ocean, bro. Dude, maybe the guy on the little boat can grab it. You think I can ask him?
Nah, it's alright.
Wow, I want that hat back. It's a legendary hat.
I'm happy I got my reel back.
Fuck your reel. Let's get the hat. Dude, he's got to be able to grab that, right? He surely can grab that in the little... I just got to look really sad like, no! It's my hat! Come this way, bro. Come with me. We got to flag this guy down.
You're gonna cut the line, sure.
Oh, you want the fucking line? I want the hat. Look, there he sees it. Oh, no. Just look. Grab the hat. They're going right across it. Just grab the hat. Grab the hat. No. Yeah, look right there. Oh, it's in the fucking water. I'm pointing at it. See if they recognize it. Oh. Oh. He just drove by it. He doesn't give a fuck. Yeah, mate. Yeah, bro. I sold it. I was acting, bro. I just looked. I was like, he's gonna get it back. Yes. Yeah.
I lost all my braids, sure.
Don't give a fuck. I just saved your fucking hat, cunt.
I'll laugh if he sneezes into it.
Coming back here, bro.
Thanks, man.
Oh, fuck yeah. Cheers, brother. Yeah, fucking like a tip. Cheers, brother.
Cheers, man.
I'll get you guys back out. Cheers. Have a good day, guys.
You too. Good luck.
Thanks, man. Yes.
You like your red Indian name?
What?
Sit dances with corn cobs over here.
Fucking dude. What the fuck, Joe? Look at this one. There's no way this all just happened, dude.
It's all over, sure.
Oh my fucking god, bro. Dude, there's no fucking way, bro. Why did you do that to me? Bro, you fucking... Why would you sacrifice a reel like that? It's like $100 reel. You just were like, fuck it, I'm gonna fucking own him. Bro, you fucking... You set me up, cunt. Did you get the drag twist on it? That top piece? It's over here, bro. Holy shit, dude.
I'm not here to play around, see I'm only here to mess you up and represent my town. Come in here and you'll get rattled, get made fun of like a clown. You don't really want to battle, I'm the heaviest of pounds, I ain't lying, boy.